Hello my dear viewers, welcome to Medilab Zone. In this video I will teach you how to prepare hibiscus tea. In my previous video I thought what are the benefits of hibiscus tea, and this is a very easy procedure. Only you can take 5 to 6 minutes for to prepare hibiscus tea. I get those things using my garden. Don't worry if you don't have this kind of fresh hibiscus flowers. You can visit Amazon site, and in Amazon site there are lot of hibiscus tea bags, and you can put tea bags and into boiled water and you can prepare. Today now I will show you how to prepare hibiscus tea using this kind of fresh flowers. So let's start. So firstly this is fresh hibiscus flowers. This is lemon and hot water, and firstly we put fresh hibiscus flowers into the glass, and after that we put boiled water into glass, and here you can see the color will start to change, and we put lemons into the glass. Here you can see yellow red color it appear, and after that we close the glass and wait for 5 minutes. Then we filter hibiscus tea. Now you can taste the hibiscus tea. Thanks for watching my video.